Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam fought a jihad with the residents of Khaybar. We performed the Fajr prayer near Khaybar when it was still darkness. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam mounted on a mount, as well as Hazrat Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu mounted a mount, and I was sitting behind Hazrat Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam galloped the mount through the streets of Khaybar, and sometimes my knee touched the Prophet's thigh. The wrapper of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam had slipped from his thigh, and I was sighting the whiteness of the Prophet's thigh. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam entered the town, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is the greatest. Khaybar has got ruined. When we dismount at the battlefield of a people, the mourning of those who have been warned of torment gets spoiled. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said it thrice. Right then the Jews came out of their houses for different jobs. They whereupon said, Muhammad has come. Some reporters have said, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam has come with army. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu said, we conquered Khaybar by war. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4641.